Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I just figured something out and I wanted to share it with you. And it has to do with earbuds and the little tips that go on top of them to make them fit, your ear and make the sound better and so on. I got these Senso brand, which I liked pretty well, except I did not like the tips that they came with. They came with these black tips, which are a shell type, if you can see that shell, and not the foam type. And I guess that's because this is cheaper to make, I'm not sure. But anyway, so I wanted to use the earbuds because they fit well. I like the kind with the loop around the back of your ear because it stays on better. I also have tried the ones that are two separate pieces, wireless. These are wireless. The other two separate pieces are wireless. But if one of them falls off, it goes rolling across the floor, and I never found any that stayed in your ear very well. So how to fix this? I bought these in size medium, which is the size I need. However, the problem was the part that actually goes on to the earbud, this little black, it's like a tube kind of thing. It's a little short tube that fits inside of the memory foam. The diameter was just a little bit too big to stay on the earbud. And I'm trying to do this with one hand now. Maybe I can see it'll slip on there, and you twist it a little bit and you think it's going to stay there, but eventually it works its way off because it's not a tight fit. So I just lived with it for a while, and then I was just cleaning up this part of my collection of earbuds and earphones, and I thought, well, what if I can take the inner liner from some other earbuds, which is smaller and tighter and stays on there? What if I can take that inner liner and put it inside one of these? Because they're only like a millimeter difference in size. So I tried that, and sure enough, I'm going to pull this off now. That's what I did. I hope you can see it. I doubled them up, basically. I've got the bigger outer one, and then I shoved the smaller inner one in there, and now it stays on really tight and really nice. I don't think I'm going to have any problem with them coming off anymore. So bottom line is the diameter of these attachment points on all these earbuds is slightly different. They're not universal. They're not all the same. I can understand that. But when you buy replacement earphone replacement pieces, they got to be the right size to fit on whatever earbuds that you're using that you like. So this is just a little fix that I came up with. I hope it helps you out. Give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate that. Click the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun, enjoy your music. Froggy out. Bye-bye. I'll put a link to this and to these in the comments. Bye.